Sir, I am a psychologist. I am training to be a psychologist.
Okay. So maybe you will you will read my mind as of now.
So that is not how it happens. It's a proper session. A lot of tools which are required to understand somebody.
Yes.
So, in general, how aware are you of medicines? Like, people have different understanding, different knowledge of medicines. I have very little. All I know is crocin. Do you have anything like that?
Yes, I have also and I also prepared use less of medicines when I have got serious. Then that time we have to need. So that time I prepared that. Otherwise, I don't like to use medicines in a simple like something headache and maybe some pain. I don't like to take painkillers.
All right. So you prefer what exactly then?
Then I have to prepare first like a home.
Home remedies.
Yes, home remedies.
All right. Okay. So which home remedy do you like really believe in?
Uh, when sometimes we have to a pain like we have a body pain, then I prepared that
Taking medicines when you need it. Why is it not your first line treatment?
because it's a basic thing that any allopathic medicines are have both maximum has a side effect. So we have to take for the painkillers. Then we also damage some organs also, then damage some organs. So that's why I'm not prepared there.
That's why you don't prefer it. All
Yes,
right.
it's not
Okay.
all about some medicines. Every I think allopathy is not. I am not against of allopathy, but the no need to take more medicines of that. When
It's not your first preference.
yes, ma'am. We can prepare also. We can prepare.
Sorry, sir, can't hear you.
Uh,
So your
I
voice
said
is breaking for me, sir.
I said that I prepared a homeopath because they have less side effect. So
All
I don't.
right.
Yes,
Mhm.
ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. But some people have aversion to homeopathic medicines. Some people can't take it, so it's very subjective as well.
Like
Like some people can't acquire to the taste that they have. They can have a weird burning taste. So a lot of times people who can't really acquire that taste and so can't take medicine. So it is very subjective. Some people really prefer allopathic medicines. Even if they have something which is very minor, they would directly like to, take a medicine as preventive measure,
yes, yes, yes.
right?
Everyone's 90% people are doing that.
90% of people, most of the people, like it's a very particular number, but most of the people prefer that these days because
Yes,
everybody wants instant relief.
right. But maybe they aware about that because they aware about that is harmful for the health and
Mhm.
wealth. So, but why after that they all prepared?
Right, right. But again, like these days people don't really have patience. They want things to be done quickly.
Yes,
So
yes,
whatever gives the quickest result, they go for that,
yes, right.
right?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
correct.
So what else would you like to talk about? So I think medicine is done for the time being.
Yes, correct. So we can talk about any other topic.
Do you have anything in mind that you want to talk about?
Uh, no, no. We can talk about any technical things.
Uh-huh. A
We can
technical
talk about
thing.
your topics like psychology because I want to know.
So I talk about psychology all day at work. So when I come here, I prefer talking about things. other than that?
I want to know. You don't know. I want to learn something from your experience. So that's why I said that this is a best way to learn. So are you read my mind right now from last
So
10
you
minutes?
don't read mind like that. I mean, it depends on what you're trying to understand. I wasn't trying to understand your mind or your behavior. I'm only trying to understand your English here. So
Yeah,
it really depends on, like what is your final goal? What is your purpose in a conversation? My purpose in a conversation is not to understand you,
I agree.
but only to know your English. And how can I help you with that?
Yes, right. So,
Right. Um, so how long have you been taking sessions here?
it's my 37th session.
Oh, it's been quite some time. So how has your experience been so far?
A little bit good.
Why do you say a little bit good? I mean, could you explain that?
That because I'm not doing well. That's my fault. I'm not doing well. So it's
All right. So how do you usually use these sessions? Like what you have sessions and then
uh, and then I'm only watching YouTube, TEDx videos, and other English things. Not read the newspapers and loudly means suggest by a tutor like read newspaper and anything loudly.
okay. So I don't think that is what the main problem is, or that is what is giving you unsatisfactory results. If you'll just give me a minute to take a sip of water, please.
Yes, sure, ma'am.